find the gold mines of time.
What's up, guys? Today we're going to check out Binary Star, I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings, with the intro requested by Ryan Hickory on Streamlabs. Definitely excited for this one after that last Binary Star song that I did. I forgot the name of it. No, it was like Honest Expression, I think that was the name of it. But yeah, I definitely enjoyed that one, so I know I'm going to enjoy this one. So without further ado, I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings with the intro. And I'm pretty sure this is like a poem by Maya Angelou. So let's go ahead and get into it, man.
Yo, you gotta make sure, man, you know what I'm saying, we break it down for everybody. You know what I'm saying, give them something to take home and digest. In jail, everything, you know what I'm saying. In jail, you know, something we can teach the youth, you know what I'm saying, stem in the right direction. In jail, you know what I'm saying, we ain't trying to be no role models. In jail, nothing like that. Yo, in jail, without the bail, life, you know what I'm saying. Representing us.
I got confined at 17, young and naive. Cast into a world with killers, robbers, and thieves. Cramped in the 8-man cell with 10 cats. 8 on the bunks and 3 on just match. Housed and matched with cats facing all day. Habitual way, short the long-term stays. Going back and forth the circuit. My life hanging on a verdict. And laws I'm unable to interpret. I just knew I had to do some time. Bottom line laid up. Some years or so away from mine. Locked from the sun, moon, and sky. Black and fresh air had me feeling pale and dry. Circles forming under my eyes from sleepless weeks. Stress levels off the hook. Reaching a new peak, homesick for my peoples in the street. A huge weight bearing on my back. I'm chain smoking roll-ups in attempts to counteract and ride my rack was no getaway. Cause life goes on and tomorrow's just another day of the same routine. Ain't a damn thing new. Either I grind, watch a tube, hit the phone to get a view. So much time, it's a little to do. Just waiting on the court date so I can get through. Caught between a rock and a hard place. Prosecution had a hard case, so I'd have to plead or escape. If I took it to trial, it would've gave me a boat. Fresh 25 piece like a noose with a rope. I couldn't go that route, no doubt. So I waited for the best offer, and then I got the hell out after getting sentenced. I was eager to ride, just to be outside, just to see the sky. No more bars, no more court. Held the county, made the joint sound like a resort. I was all in for it, had my shit packed and ready to jet. Standing at the bars, anxious, waiting on the jet. Without the bail,
in jail.
Without the bail,
In jail.
without the bail,
In jail.
without the bail, in jail,
Excuse me.
without the bail, in jail, without the bail, in jail, without the in
You know
jail.
what I'm saying?
What
Got
was that
these
little
whack
switch over
MCs
there?
out here, you know what I'm saying? They do 3 days.
Or maybe
in
that was the
comedy,
intro?
You know what I'm saying? And come home and write a rhyme about doing bids. And, you know what I'm saying? Shanking people.
Without the bail,
Doing
in
time. I
jail,
don't know nothing about time.
Without
And I
the
got
bail,
people
in
flying
jail.
around. You know what I'm
Without
saying?
the bail,
We was
handcuffed
handcuffed in the back of a bus. 40 of us. The road was rough. Plus nobody I could trust. Headed upstate, no chance for escape. Barbed wire and guards in the gun tower secured the gate. My
Yeah.
uncle's fate was life without parole. Thank God I was blessed with an out date. I can't wait, but I got to. You probably wouldn't have did what I did to catch a bid.
I can't wait, but I got to. Oh man, this song is deep, bro. I love it.
But I'm not you. I got a crew still on the street. They don't write me letters. No time to visit a brother or bother to send me cheddar. Never did I sweat it. I know they got a life to live. My man
Yeah.
Jay had a wife and kid, and these are the consequences my actions committed. Some cats that I used to visit, now I live with, along with swillers, killers, drug dealers, some rich brothers, crackheads, con artists, child molesters, dick suckers, all types of individuals. Sorta like a melting pot for criminals. The system is designed and stocked and plentiful. This old cat from the hood told me out of every bad situation comes some good. It's understood. Prison ain't good for my health. Looking in the mirror, introducing me to myself. I studied my thoughts, my ways, the routes I took. Though I read daily, it ain't all about the books. It's all about the lessons you learn through your experience, applying it in a positive way. Period. All praise due to Allah. I used to scheme till he showed me the straight way. So out the Mustaqim, now I'm on a VI, telling moms about Islam. She called me a blasphemous fool. I stayed calm. The world wasn't ready for for the changes I made. They was waiting for the nigga I was in 12th grade every day. The same old thing. I walked the yard, set up in a child hall with them Dil Rahim. Cats waiting in infirmary lines for their medicines. Moorish Americans walking around with circle sevens and older heads playing horseshoes, sometimes chess. Tripping when I first seen a bagger with breasts. In the shower with a cat, getting hit from the back. White dudes on basketball courts, kicking hacky sacks. Ball games, card games, face it. Everybody time on their hands, most of it wasted. Anything to make the time fly as soon as possible. Some cats used to sleep all day, that's unacceptable. Hands getting cracked over unpaid debts. Either a shank or a lock in the side would do the trick. Correction officers, devil's advocate. And when it's time to go home, parole boards wasn't having it. Life was hell every day, the devil's trying me. But I paid my debt to society. And after 27 months of my life, I tell you one thing, I know why the cage bird sings. In jail, without the bail. In jail, without the bail.
This was deep.
Everybody who know without the bail. I know why the cage bird sings. In jail,
Without the bail.
in jail. I know why the cage bird sings. In jail. I know why the cage bird sings. In jail.
Without the bail.
Sing the same song.
Yo, this was a deep song. I'm gonna have to run this one back for sure. I gotta do some research into this dude as well, because I'm not sure if this is like what era this is. But yeah, I definitely enjoyed it. Binary Star, I Know Why the Cage Bird Sings with the intro. That was a deep song. He went into depth about like basically being in prison and overcoming a lot of the things that go on in prison, and just talking about the feelings and just everything about prison and whatnot, and just why the cage bird would sing. So yeah, I definitely enjoyed it. Definitely wouldn't mind checking out more Binary Star. And if you guys enjoy the reaction, make sure you smack the like button, subscribe if you're new, and comment down below what the tracks, albums, or movies I should check out next time. And until then, much love, stay safe, and peace out.